Hello everyone, it's Jenny and I'm here to play a short little thing of true or false since it is Friday and I've been extremely busy with work and I've been sick on and off, so let's do a little bit of quick play because who doesn't want to rage quit over a quick play? The last dinosaur roamed the earth in 1923. I'd say that's false. Aha. In late 2016, Earth and Mars will be in an encounter that will culminate in the closest approach between the two planets in record history. What? I'm gonna say yes? Ah, shit. Alright, come on, let's do this. No, the Great Pyramid of Giza has 3 sides. The bottom does not count. Approximately 62% of Americans have less than $1,000 in their savings account, and 21% don't even have a savings account. That's true. Alright. Isaac Newton invented the game hopscotch. False. Alrighty. The Gnarls Barkley song Crazy topped the UK charts for so long, it was eventually pulled so people would remember the song fondly and not get sick of it. I would have to say that's true. Woo! 5 questions in. Olympic gold medals are only 1% gold and 92.5% silver. Yep. I'm actually doing pretty good. Koala's teeth are strong enough to bend time and space. No, and that was in one of the other thingies that we did. There is a mountain in Australia named Mount Disappointment. Okay. The last 2 speakers of a dying Mexican language, Ayapanico, sorry for pronouncing that incorrectly, refused to speak to each other because they didn't like each other. That sounds true. A woman sued a hospital claiming a CAT scan made her lose her psychic powers. I wouldn't be surprised. Alrighty. The original teddy bear was inspired by a cartoon of USA President... No, it wasn't. What? It was? Oh, crap. I got Winnie the Pooh and they're being loud outside. Sorry. North Koreans that escape to South Korea are automatically granted citizenship upon arrival. I believe that's true. Which is pretty cool. Yes. Igor Letov wrote his hit song Pro Durakta. I can't pronounce that, I'm sorry. In one night with 103 fever. I'd say yes. Okay. Sharks can easily be crushed by their own body weight on land because they lack a ribcage. That's false. What? No, that can't be right. No, he didn't. Last dinosaur, no, it did not. The word bookkeeper is the only unhyphenated English word with 3 consecutive double letters. What? Oh. I think that's true. Yep. Penguins can smell toothpaste from several miles away. What? That makes no sense. AC/DC has... Yes, it does, apparently. Achievement unlocked. AC/DC. Woohoo! Norway will be the first country in the world to shut down FM radio and go digital instead. I'd say yes. That makes sense to a degree. 99% of Rubik's Cubes are impossible to solve. That's false. They're being extremely loud. Yay! All that remains of Shakespeare's handwriting are 6 signatures, none of which are spelt Shakespeare. I would say that's true because it sounds like it. The Hill of Tara in Ireland contained the Ark of the Covenant, and the Irish were part of the lost tribes of Israel. I'd say false. Okay, that was weird. Molecularly speaking, water is actually much drier than sand. I'd say that's false. Ooh, okay. I won. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a campaign because I've got a little bit of time here. Apparently it's kept where I already answered that, and that's no. Alrighty. Planet of the Apes is based on a true story. False. Okay. A baby octopus is about the size of a flea at birth. I'd say that's true. Achievement unlocked. Octopus. The inventor of the pop-up ad later apologized for creating it. Yes, he did, from what I understand. Sushi does not mean raw fish, which is kind of weird. I need to look that up later. The first animal to ask an existential question was an African gray parrot. He asked what color he was. I believe I remember hearing or reading a little bit about that. Aha. Honeybees that return to the hive drunk are punished. Yes. Makes sense. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is the furthest leaning man-made tower. Yes. What? Oh. J.K. Rowling wanted to do a Harry Potter musical. False. Why would she want to do that? The original teddy bear, it was in fact inspired by Theodore Roosevelt. In China, John Steinbeck's The Grapes of Wrath is translated as angry berries. It's false? Oh my gosh. Great Wall of China is the only human-made object visible from the moon. I'm gonna say true. But it's false. Oh, weird. Huh. There's a 4,000-year-old clay tablet, which is a customer's complaint wanting a refund. I believe that's true. Yep. That's kind of funny. Donald Duck is such an incredibly popular figure in Swedish culture that they had to outlaw voting for him. True? Oh, wow. Mark Wahlberg served 45 days in jail for attempted murder. I believe he did. And I was right. I remember watching, I think it was, I'll have to find the link that has that in there, and it'll be in the description box below. I think it was under TheRichest. I'm not sure. It should already be down there, but I think that was it. And I'm only gonna do like a few more of these, and then I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end it there. Penguins are only known animals to flaminotus. Grammatically incorrect sentence is definitely a dead giveaway. Only 2 species have domesticated other species. Humans and ants. I believe that's true. Yep. Ants are pretty fucking cool. Okay, that I already answered that. It's true. As punishment for misbehavior, Thai policemen are forced to wear a Hello Kitty armband. I wouldn't be surprised. Yep. Vikings believed that a giant goat named Hjorun, I could be completely wrong in pronunciation. Please let me know how it's supposed to be pronounced in the comment section below, because I prefer knowing correct pronunciation. Whose udders provided an endless supply of beer awaited them in Valhalla upon their death. I believe that's true. It's actually pretty cool. Google sent an email to its employees warning that a python was loose in its New York office on April 1st, 2007. It was not a joke. God almighty, they are loud outside. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. This is the second video of True or False on the channel, and I don't know if I'm gonna do another one later down the road when I get enough money saved up on my Steam account, I might do a video of adventures. If you'd like to see that, please hit the like button, and I guess I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy! Bye-bye!